poultry production system. I have kids who have a chicken or poultry in your home or your farm. Who has? No. Okay, fine. Okay, I will let you know about the type of the poultry production housing system. In the farm or behind the house, our house we call feeding or extensive and semi-intensive and intensive because it's a different type in the poultry production. So, free range is for the new trend in our world is organic free range. The chicken is the meat from chicken from the farm in the free range is many is a niche, we call niche market. So in Thailand or near Thailand, in Laos, Vietnam or Myanmar, we have a backyard intensive system. Intensive system is a poultry house in the night around during day, and they are usually fed in hand food or in the morning and evening supplements like this picture. So the picture shows that the different type of the system. The upper is experience and the middle is semi-intensive and so it's the semi-intensive is have intensive and intensive system. The semi-intensive system is we have housing and that's for feeding and exercise of the chicken. So it's low input technology manufacturing. But the intensive system is that you have a digital system. You have flat and all